Welcome back to Yard Finance. So today I want to talk about what really caused the stock market sell-off that we saw a couple days back and kind of still seeing now a little bit. Right, I know a lot of people got nervous and rightfully so. Like stocks that we thought wouldn't drop this far went down. Apple went down, Tesla went down, a lot of stocks went down. But the short answer is stimulus package. Right, and if you look at who are the main people are selling, you're gonna understand why I'm saying that. It was the idea that the stimulus package was gonna be passed that caused the sell-off. Right. Now, some of the biggest names that have been selling: Buffett cut Apple stocks, Barron trim Tesla. Billionaires are selling off. A lot of these big firms, stock market firms, hedge funds are selling their stocks, right? And the reason they are selling their stocks is that, listen, a lot of them bought a lot of these stocks at the bottom, meaning that they already made 100% return. They already made a lot of return, right? So what they're doing now is that they're selling off their profits, right? Because they know that there's going to be an influx of new cash flow in the stock market, right? So they're selling off their gains so the stocks can know. They're basically creating a panic, a sell-off. So they sell off their gains, retain their profit. The stock now causes a panic in the stock market because we're talking about billionaires selling shares. When their billionaires are selling shares, that's going to cause the need to move, right? Retailers now come in, other smaller hedge funds come in and they're like, oh, let's sell. There's a panic selling, let's sell, right? Cause a panic. What happens is that the stock creator, by the time the stimulus gets passed, and by the way, it passed, and like clockwork, the Dow Jones jumped 400 points, right? The stimulus check was passed through Senate. And like clockwork, stimulus, the Dow Jones is up 400 points, at least this morning, right? And this is just a classic dump pump. It's not the pump and dump. This one is dump pump, right? So they are dumping their stocks, basically realizing the gains that they have gotten. Because again, you have to understand, like Buffett is selling off his Apple shares. Buffett probably jumped into Tesla, to Apple when it created last year, right? This is why you guys have to understand. This game is listen, I hate to say it to you guys, man, but retail investors, it's good that we're getting to invest, but these rich people, man, they really have an advantage. A lot of these people probably already knew that the stimulus trick was going to get passed, right? They sell off in anticipation, knowing that there's a lot of new inflow of capital that's going to be passing through the stock market. And that's exactly what happened, So it was just rich people, rich billionaires, some retail investors who was probably selling off, realizing their gains, and because they know that once the stimulus come, they can pump more money into the stock when it's lower, right? Tesla dropped how much in percent, right? Tesla was at $800. It's now at $600, right? It's going back up today. That's a $200 discount, right? Tesla was almost at $900, so that's almost a $300 discount, as a matter of fact. Now, can you imagine getting back into Tesla when it's at 600 after selling off at almost 800? Getting watching profit in, right? Making watching profit and then buying back in when you get a stimulus check, or know that it's lower, and Tesla is going to go up past thousands of dollars, especially once their gigafactories in Berlin finish and the one in Texas finish, and they're expanding the one in Shanghai. So Tesla is positioned to growth. So there's no reason to worry that Tesla is going to crash. Tesla is going to go up, right? Demand, as more countries are mandating electric cars and getting rid of gas car, Tesla's future is guaranteed, as a matter of fact. Tesla is the biggest brand name in electric right now, right? So Tesla, there's no reason to worry about Tesla stock. So getting that stock to drop and then buying in when it drop is actually a solid plan. So that's pretty much what's happening right now. If you are a retail investor and you sell off, sometimes you have to move with the big whales, man. So it's not fun to swim against the tide sometimes. So seller, you see the big millionaires selling off their Tesla stocks, you sell off yours. At least really realize your gain, then jump in. You don't have to sell off everything, as a matter of fact. You can now take some profit and then wait till it to drop and then jump back in with the same profit that you take, like clockwork. That's what these rich guys are doing. They're playing with more money than us. They can move the market. Anyway, that's the reason why. If you disagree with me, let me know in the comment section. If you agree, let me know in the comment section as well. Leave a like on the video or a dislike, doesn't matter. Just interact with the video. That's good for the algorithm. And subscribe if you like the content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye. Thank you.